On WhatsApp, we chat with so many people, but if you want to clear a chat, you can do that. When you clear a chat, every message gets deleted, and if you want to remove photos and videos they sent, you can clear those too. Anyway, in this video, we'll show you how to clear a chat on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp application. Then, select the contact whose chat you want to clear. For example, I'm picking this contact. After that, you'll see 3 dots at the top. Tap on those 3 dots. When you tap on that, you'll see more options. Click on More. When you do, you'll find the Clear Chat option. Tap on Clear Chat. A pop-up message will appear. Here, if you want to delete all media, like photos and videos, check this box. Or if you don't want to delete photos and videos, just uncheck it. Anyway, I'm checking it. After that, tap on the Clear Chat option. Once you do, the chat will be cleared. That's how you can easily clear a WhatsApp chat. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.